Why every marketer needs to use short videos in 2023 and beyond. Have you ever wondered why? Let us break up why today. Hello and welcome. In today's digital age, video content has become the king of the marketing world. Short videos, in particular, have taken the world by storm, and for good reason. This video, we're going to explore why every marketer needs to use short videos to promote their brand. Short videos are an incredibly powerful tool for marketers. They allow you to convey a message in a clear and concise way, making it easy for your audience to digest your content. With the rise of social media, short videos have become an even more critical part of any marketing strategy. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat are now dominated by short-form video content. By using short videos, you can reach a wider audience and connect with your target market in a more engaging way. Another reason why short videos are so effective is that they're highly shareable. People love sharing videos with their friends and family, especially if they're entertaining or informative. By creating engaging and shareable content, you can increase your brand's exposure and reach a much larger audience. This can lead to more followers, more sales, and ultimately, more revenue for your business. Short videos are also a great way to showcase your brand's personality. By using humor, storytelling, or other creative techniques, you can build a strong emotional connection with your audience. This can help to humanize your brand and make it more relatable. When people feel a personal connection with your brand, they're more likely to become loyal customers. One of the best things about short videos is that they're incredibly versatile. You can use them to showcase your products or services, give a behind-the-scenes look at your company, or even create educational content for your audience. With so many different types of content you can create, there's no limit to what you can do with short videos. Last but not least, short videos are perfect for mobile devices. With more and more people accessing the internet through their smartphones, it's essential to create content that's optimized for mobile. Short videos are perfect for this because they're easy to watch on a small screen, and they load quickly, even on slower internet connections. By creating mobile-friendly content, you can reach a wider audience and connect with your customers wherever they are. In conclusion, short videos are an essential part of any marketing strategy. They're engaging, shareable, versatile, and perfect for mobile devices. By using short videos, you can build a stronger emotional connection with your audience, increase your brand's exposure, and ultimately, drive more revenue for your business. So, if you're not already using short videos in your marketing, now is the time to start. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.